Good morning. I just wanted to reach out and touch base with you guys again and reinforce the importance of vaccination for COVID-19. Specifically, a lot of news and a lot of social media push now regarding the new Delta variant. So, here are a few things that we know. It appears that the new variant, Delta, is again the fourth iteration of this virus. And while it seems like this virus is more infectious, approximately 50% more, I would like to provide some of you some optimistic and hope. Let's review the data from places that have dealt with Delta for a little bit longer than the US. It appears that our vaccinations are effective. While the original vaccination have been up to 95% effective towards the Alpha variant, and as an example, the Pfizer vaccine has been a 93% effective towards the Alpha variant. We now have confirmed studies from UK, reputable centers, that show 88% effectiveness against the Delta variant. Now, again, when we say effectiveness against the Delta variant, we are not talking about 100% you're not going to get this infection. What we are saying is that you are 88% confident that you will not have a severe illness that will require hospitalization or lead to a major adverse event such as death. And that is what we're talking about here, guys. We're talking about being able to live our life back to a normalcy where we are not scared to end up in a hospital. We all know people that succumb to this illness. We all know people that are now still dealing with the sequela of this horrible illness. And this vaccine not only works, it's also safe and effective. Now, people always bring to my attention the one case in which somebody died after the vaccine. I'd like to point out to you guys the Pfizer vaccine, which I've used as an example, 700 million doses have been dispensed so far. As far as the safety, we don't know a lot of people that had a major complication from it. You are hearing about the single numbers of people with complications, but those are odds that you guys want to take. No matter what complication you're going to bring out from this is a very extensively studied vaccine. When I tell you 700 million doses around the world have been dispensed, that is more than any cardiac medication and testing from throughout time. When we're using medications on you guys that have been tried in U.S. trials over years, usually they put 1,000 people in a study. 10,000 people is considered a large trial. This is 700 million doses dispensed. And we know that it works, and we can see how effective it is in being able to restore us. So I urge you guys to reconsider getting vaccinated and start opening up to the reality that COVID is not going away, and COVID is going to continue to mutate on us, just like the flu is. And it appears to me that we're going to need to end up with a normalcy in which every year we will be able to predict the variant of it, just like the flu. So whether we have a yearly flu and COVID shot in our future, right now, as things are starting to heat back up and worsen, while our local hospital reintroduced some of the original restrictions for us, while there's again many people being rehospitalized for COVID, this is our opportunity to make a difference. And the push is for people that have not been vaccinated, because once again, this is your opportunity to do something while you still can. This is an opportunity to prevent the need to be hospitalized or succumb to this illness. So I once again urge you, this is a safe vaccine, this is an effective vaccine. Help us protect everybody around us by getting it. Thanks.